session. Today, I'm going to teach you the 7th class of the second part of war drum. The first line is zoyo, 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 zo, zoyo, zoyo, zo, zoyo. The first zoyo, you hit it on the side of the drum, soft while squatting down. The second zoyo, you hit it hard on the center of the drum while standing up. Then zoyo, zo, zoyo. After hitting yo, you raise your left hand up, then right hand follows. Now, let's try it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. The second line is zoyo, zo, zoyo, zo. Now, let's play it on the drum using the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now that we already learned the first and the second line, let's learn them playing with the speed of 100. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, let's increase the speed to 120. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our 7th class of war drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit